for our countdown for the opening of the World Travel Expo Year 9 here at Space One Ayala. Special guests, please wait for the countdown before you pop our balloons. We would also like to welcome on stage PATA LPU. And let's play the countdown.
10, 9.
Let's repeat that again. We are all so excited for the opening of the World Travel Expo Year 9. Are you all ready? I can't hear you, people. Are you ready for the World Travel Expo Year 9? And we are ready to play our countdown. Take it away.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. World Travel Expo exhibitors, friends, and sponsors. The word taiko means drum in Japanese, which is a dynamic art form characterized by its loud, rhythmic drumming, often combined with choreographed martial arts-like movements, meant to drive away negativity. As we open the World Travel Expo Year 9, we pray that each beat of the taiko drum will dispel all calamities that now plague the entire world. The World Travel Expo welcomes LPP Talents, the Taiko Drummers.
Once again, LPP Talents, the Taiko Drummers. Put your hands together, come on people! Thank you to the LPP Talents, the Taiko Drummers. With 69 days to go before Christmas, World Travel Expo returns to space at One Ayala on its 9th year, organized by AdAsia Events Group, OPC. It promises not only unbeatable promos, but also unforgettable experiences and shared memories. So let's all discover beauty, explore freely. After all, we are the Philippines, the pearl of the Orient Seas, and the country with the friendliest people.
Sir, dito po, punta po dito. Opo, opo.
And to officially welcome everyone at Asia Events Group OPC's Managing Director, let's all welcome Miss Mildred Caballero.
Thank you, Miss Jen, for that introduction. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Dr. Azucena Palunya, DOT, OIC of Market Development. Ma'am, thank you for coming po. Ms. Maricel Baraca, Department of Social Welfare, Officer 3. Ms. Kirsten Denise Rueda, Teen Model World of the Philippines Preteen 2025 Grand Winner. A representative from our sponsors, GCash as our corporate center, Anantara Vacation Club, Uniqlo, and Hotel Sogo. Also, Sir from Royal Caribbean. Sir, thank you again for supporting the World Travel Expo. Good afternoon, everyone. Standing here today, surrounded by familiar faces and new ones, I feel deeply grateful. Each year, the World Travel Expo grows not just in size, but in meaning, because of all of you who continue to believe in what this event stands for. For us, World Travel Expo has always been more than booths, banners, or promos. It is about people. It is about the stories we share, the connections we make, and the joy we find when we explore beyond what is familiar. Being here in Makati, a city that thrives on energy, innovation, and creativity, feels symbolic. It reminds us how travel brings life to our dreams and movement to our goals. Over the past 9 years, we have seen how travel brings people together. Families plan their next getaways, partners discover new opportunities, and dreamers take their first step toward a new adventure. That is what makes this event special. It is not just about where you go. It is about what you find along the way. To our partners, exhibitors, and supporters, thank you. Your trust and collaboration keep this journey alive. To our guests and travelers, thank you for always showing up with open hearts and open minds. You are the reason we continue to do what we do. As we open World Travel Expo Year 9, I hope this event reminds you why we love to explore. Every journey brings us closer to beauty, connection, and purpose. Let us discover beauty, explore freely, and together, let us make this journey truly unforgettable. Good afternoon again, everyone.
Once again, AdAsia Events Group OPC's Managing Director, Ms. Mildred Caballero. Thank you, Ms. Miles. Let's all welcome our keynote speaker from the Office of Market Development, from the Department of Tourism, Director Azucena Palugna. A round of applause, please, friends.
Mabuhay! Good afternoon, everyone. Maayong hapon. It is my distinct honor and pleasure to welcome all of you to the 9th edition of the World Travel Expo. I was walking around earlier looking at some of the packages, and I'm so happy that we see a lot of our tourism destinations from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And I'm also happy to see supporters of Manila Hotel, Greece Manila, to join in this travel expo. This is already their 9th year in having this expo, and it's not only here in Makati but also all over the Philippines. So thank you for all the attendees of this exhibitors of this expo. On behalf of the Department of Tourism, allow me to extend our warmest congratulations and deepest appreciation to ADS Asia Event Group, especially Ms. Mildred Caballero, the Managing Director of ADS Asia Events, for her visionary leadership in bringing together this community of travel professionals, tour guides, storytellers, and explorers, or a traveler like me, because I also love to travel. It's not only I'm working with the Department of Tourism, but I'm also a traveler. I travel a lot. I travel not for work, but for leisure, for fun, and for experiences. So I've been to as far as Batanes. I visited Batanes. I went for a kayaking experience in Tanawan, Batangas. I don't know if you have done that. So I love adventure. I climbed Mount Titigiting in Romblon. I surfed in Siargao. So I started that project in Siargao sometime in 1994 or 1995. So we started a surfing competition. We also promote, in the tourism, we promote golf tourism. So I played golf for all over Mindanao, in all our golf courses in Mindanao. So we have around 139 golf courses around the Philippines. And we are promoting golf as one of our tourism products. I also love wellness tourism. So last 2 weekends ago, I went to Tagaytay and I discovered this one resort. It's called Anya. It's so nice. I couldn't believe it that we have like that resort in the Philippines outside, because I always go to the coastal areas because I love beach. But we also want to explore nearby provinces or cities within Metro Manila. Tourism Secretary Crasco could not make it today, and she would be delighted to join us if not of her equally important commitment. I think she will be, as she is in Batanes, if I'm not mistaken. She sends her warmest greetings and heartfelt regards and has entrusted me with the privilege of sharing this message with you. So this remarkable event brings together an impressive array of travel and tourism-related enterprises. I think Ms. Mildred has around 83 exhibitors today. Last year, I also attended this show. It has 63 exhibitors. So this travel show is growing. It shows that Filipinos are traveling. Imagine last year, we had 134 million domestic tourists. Aside from the 5.9 million foreign tourists
visiting our shores. So this travel show helps us promote our destinations. And since this is a world travel show, it also promotes our cruise tourism program. So we have the cruise tourism program. By next year, we will have Costa Cruises home porting in the Philippines. So we also have opportunity to travel around the world. And Royal, is it Royal? What is your company? Royal Caribbean. I've been to your office in Miami when we started promoting a cruise tourism. So Royal Caribbean has been in the Philippines, coming to the Philippines since if I'm not mistaken, around 2016, 2014, and it is growing. So thank you very much for supporting our cruise tourism industry. So the expo also proudly showcases the diverse cultures, beautiful hotels and resort properties, and extraordinary tourist attractions, our food delicacies, our handicrafts, and I saw one exhibitor about travel app. So our travel industry is really developing, and we are adapting to be more digital conscious. Let us take a moment to honor the vital contributions of our every stakeholder gathered here today. From hotels, resorts, tour operators, travel agencies, from the cruise line industry. Thank you so much for supporting the Department of Tourism and our tourism industry. So whether you represent a boutique hotel or international chain, a local travel agency or a global airline, or a global cruise line industry, a hidden gem destination, or a world-renowned landmark, your work, your passion, and your dedication shape the future of the Philippine tourism industry. The world loves the Philippines, and together we continue to nurture our tourism industry that is sustainable, inclusive, innovative, and proudly Filipino. So our significant strides in sustainability, heritage, preservation, and capacity building have laid a strong foundation. So our collective efforts and beautiful destinations are globally recognized. The other day, we garnered 6 prestigious awards at the 2025 World Travel Awards Asia and Oceania Gala Ceremony in Hong Kong. So our Undersecretary received the 6 awards of excellence. 1, Asia's leading beach destination for the 8th time in a row, a historic achievement of the Department of Tourism. Asia's leading dive destination, for the 7th consecutive year. Asia's leading island destination, and this is our back-to-back victory. Asia's leading tourist board, awarded to the Department of Tourism. Asia's leading luxury island destination, awarded to the Jewel of Boracay. Asia's leading conference tourism destination, awarded to Clark Freeport Zoo. So these remarkable recognitions do more than place us among the world's premier destinations. They reflect the tireless dedication of our tourism frontliners like you here today, the generosity of our local communities, and the innovative spirit of our industry partners. So they also celebrate the resounding success of our Love the Philippines campaign, which was honored as Asia's leading marketing campaign. A campaign that has captured the hearts and imaginations around the world. Our global standing is further affirmed. We won again through Condé Nast Traveler's 2025 Reader's Choice Award. This is a prestigious publication in North America. And we won again. Boracay ranked number 4 as the best destination in the world.
Palawan 5th, and Siargao 7th among Asia's top islands. So over 700,000 travelers voted worldwide. So this recognition is a testament to the beauty, resilience, and stewardship of our island communities, and reaffirms our commitment to sustainable tourism that brings prosperity. The Philippines is not just a destination. It is experience, a feeling, a story of love, if you agree with me. We love to eat. We love to travel. We love to dine with our friends. So we have a lot of love stories to share, not only to our friends, to our family, but throughout the world. So the story of love is waiting to be written by every visitor who arrives on our shores. And you, the people in this room, are the authors of that love story. Dagang salamat and mabuhay ang turismo.
Maraming salamat po to the department.